Hello and welcome to How to Make a Profit with Commercial Real Estate Agents. Finally, you may already know me. My name is Bob McComb, and I welcome you to this program. If you don't know me already, it's enough to say that I've been where you are, a commercial brokerage owner, a broker, and a player coach in downtown San Francisco. I've experienced your frustrations and stresses firsthand, and from over 20 years as a trainer and a coach to commercial brokers nationwide. More importantly, I know what you can do to get rid of those frustrations and stresses of being a player coach, and I promise you that it's going to be faster and easier than you think. I created this program expressly for you. It's a 12-week downloadable audio program for busy commercial brokerage owners and player coaches. I'll tell you more about how it works shortly. Here's who I created this program for. It's for brokerage owners and managers whose production suffers because the agents are too dependent upon them, and who feel that without their production, the office would soon close. It's also for player coaches who are frustrated about their agents' productivity while they struggle to make a profit, and are usually the first to arrive and the last to leave the office. It's also for brokers who are working harder than their agents and are tired of the constant interruption time wasters. It's also for companies who want to learn how to attract new, talented agents easily. Are you frustrated by losing good agents and keeping non-producers too long and the turnover at your firm? Do you sometimes get angry about low agent motivation and morale, or by losing market share? Do you sometimes feel that running a commercial brokerage company is an unnecessary struggle because your agents are resistant to making the changes you've recommended? Do you sometimes feel a loss of control when you give agents leads that go nowhere, especially when you give them to a non-producer? Are you sometimes disgusted with lost sales and low profitability? If by being a brokerage owner, a managing player coach, what you feel mostly is frustration, anger, disgust, loss of control, and it's an unnecessary struggle, then stay with me for this short program, because I'm going to tell you how to turn all these negative emotions into personal pride, job satisfaction, and real pleasure. What would it be worth to you to see your agents happier and more productive? What would it be worth to you to increase your income from agent production? What would it be like if you were truly happy to manage agents as you continue to broker your own deals? You can do it, and it will be easier and more pleasurable than you think. Of course, if you don't want to increase profitability, or believe it's possible to manage agents, or you enjoy being stressed by your management duties, and you don't want to make management pleasurable, this program might not be for you. Over the past 20 years as a trainer and a coach to the commercial real estate industry, roughly 95% of player coaches have told me they don't like managing agents. Why is that? The two primary reasons are that the skills that made them successful as a broker are not the same skills required to manage agents successfully. The second is that they love doing deals. They've not learned to love managing, even though it can be more rewarding than the deal of the day. Watching your agents grow and prosper is highly rewarding. That's because, as was said by the great Zig Ziglar, you can have everything you want in life if you find enough ways to give other people what it is that they want. Imagine that from the very first lesson, by making a few simple changes, you have more time, fewer interruptions, and that your agents still know that you are there for them. What would that be like? Would it be worth spending 15 minutes a week for just 12 weeks to learn how to achieve this and much more? What if 12 weeks from today, you and your agents are happier and more productive? Wouldn't you feel more secure knowing that happy, productive agents don't leave? In this program, you'll discover how to achieve that and much more. You'll learn how to create a compelling vision for what you really want from your business and know how to get it. I'll teach you how to create a winning team. Most of the managers I have coached have asked the question, what is really holding my people back? By learning motivational interviewing techniques, you'll find out, and you'll learn how to help them break through to the next level. You'll learn how to fuel their inner drive to propel them towards greater success. Do you know how to use social and structural motivation techniques? These techniques will put your agents on motivational autopilot so you don't have to spend your valuable time trying to motivate them with methods that are flawed and fail. Building a solid bench of strong producers that contribute to the bottom line of your company is vital for your company's success. This 15-minute session comes with a bonus audio that teaches you how to recruit and hire the very best, and who not to hire as well. What would it be like if your agents were excited to come to company meetings, if they arrived on time and they were ready to participate? You'll learn how to accomplish this and cut the time required to prepare for sales meetings to just a few minutes instead of an hour or more. Each week, you're going to get a reminder email with a link to download the next 15-minute session to your phone or other device. They're yours to keep because I want you to review them anytime you feel you need to. Each lesson contains near-term, easily achievable objectives that won't take much of your time to implement. In fact, in the very first lesson, I'll teach you how to save several hundred hours a year just by ending management by interruption. Most managers want to get their new agents producing right away, but they don't do it the right way. And they soon find out that agents who looked like they would be a strong candidate have stalled out. That's because they were not onboarded correctly. In this program, you'll learn the easiest way to create an onboarding system that really works, and it won't take much of your time to put it together. Making a profit with commercial real estate agents is not about some cumbersome, expensive software solution. It's about your people and how to fuel their inner drive to succeed for themselves, for the company, and for you. It's merely a matter of learning what works and doing more of that consistently. You can do it, and it will be worth it. Owning and operating your own firm should be both profitable and pleasurable. But for too many player coaches, it's neither. In these 12 short audio sessions, you'll learn how to get everyone on the cycle of success. I'm introducing this program at a very low price. It's just $295 for all 12 sessions. So take a few minutes and check out the full curriculum at commercialrealestatetraining.com right now. Sign up and download your first session right away. Then week by week, learn how to really make a profit with commercial real estate agents finally. Thank you for being on this program. If you have any questions, give me a call. My email address is bob@macomb.com, and you can schedule a 30-minute consultation with me at commercialrealestatetraining.com. I answer my own phone, and I promise if I can't take your call on the first call, I will call you back.